Guys, it's Kim George here. I'm back with another quick video tutorial on one of the features that I totally forgot to mention in a video that I did yesterday on how to create stunning presentations or eye-catching presentations using Canva's slides templates. So if you haven't checked out that video, be sure to go and check that out. The one thing that I totally forgot to tell you guys about that I'm super excited about that Canva has now introduced into its platform is the ability to do screen recording. Now, typically, whenever I do screen recording, guys, I am using Screencast-O-Matic, and I'll put a link to that below. It is an affiliate link. It is a product that I use all the time, and I use it to do all of my screen recording because it just makes it super easy, it's inexpensive, and so I use that. And then I also use Filmora to do the editing for my videos. So imagine my surprise when I saw that Canva had added this feature where you can actually do screen recording within Canva's tool. And so that's what I wanted to show you guys how to do really quickly. So in order to do this, you just want to basically make sure that you're logged into your Canva account. I'm using Canva Pro because I get a lot of extra features and things like that. As far as that goes. But after you get logged in and after you have selected the slide presentation that you want to use, you have branded your presentation with graphics and colors and all that kinds of stuff, and you're ready to present it, then what you want to do in order to get to the screen recording feature is you want to click on these little buttons right here, okay? And then you're going to be presented with some options under the recommended section. One is just to present. The other is to download your slides. This can be in a PDF format, PNG graphics formats, etc. and etc. And then you have the option to do present and record. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. And then as you can see, it says record yourself while talking over your presentation, share a link with your students, friends, or colleagues, and etc. So I'm going to go ahead and click go to recording studio. Now, forgive me in the way that I'm looking because I am using, hi, I am using the X20, or what is this, the C920 camera to do my screen recording, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to select this, okay, for the screen recording, and I'm gonna do start recording. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so this is essentially recording my screen, as you can see. And again, I just thought this was a really, really neat tool. I thought this is a great feature that they've added. So you can start, screen recording, and you can just basically click to go to the next slide. If you want to talk over these slides, do your presentations and present them, or, record this and all that kinds of stuff for a course, or maybe a workshop that you have coming up and all of that good stuff. And this is essentially what you do. So you just kind of go through all of your slides. I didn't really do any updates on this, but I just thought it was really cool, right? It's a great feature, okay? So when you're done recording your slides, then what you're going to do is you're going to click in recording, okay? And then it's going to start uploading your recording into your account, okay? So I'm going to let this finish, all right? And as you can see here, this is what it's saying. It's saying anyone with this link can view, no sign-in required. So what you can do is you can copy this link and you can embed this into something, so on and so forth. And it even looks like you can go back into the editing phase of this as well. So I just thought this was really, really neat, a very neat tool that you can use. If you want to record, of course, record your slides for courses, for a webinar, for, anything that you're planning to teach, and you just kind of want to use Canva's in-house tools to do it. They actually have that feature there. So I just wanted to share with you guys how to do screen recording of your slide presentations and your slide decks in Canva. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like I said, forgive me for looking a little bit rough. It's okay. But I was just super excited and I forgot to mention this on yesterday. And as a reminder, I am using the, the Logitech C920 camera to do my screen recording. Now, if you have like a laptop or something like that that already has a camera embedded in it, then you should be good to go. But again, I'm using the Logitech C920. I'll put a link to that below. It's connected to my computer to do the screen recording and things like that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please be sure to like, share, subscribe, tell other peeps about this. Again, this is just one of the other additional features that Canva has added to their platform. So thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. You guys stay safe out there. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys around.